Time check, 7:48. Waiting lang tayo sa oras at mahirap nagmamadali. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Wala pang viewer. Pasensya na. At ayun, may isa tayong viewer. Sino ba itong viewer ko? Magandang gabi dyan. Shout out. Sino ka ba? Hindi ko nakikita ang pangalan eh. Magandang gabi doon sa nag-iisa pang viewer ko. Message ka lang para ma-shout out kita. Ayun, dalawa na. Magandang gabi. At waiting po tayo sa sa oras ng net call natin. At hindi gumagana yung isang monitor ko. Nagpalit ako ng video card eh. Kasi wala lang. Para sa aming mga nagra-radyo yan, Francis. Papa Francis. Ito lang yan para dito. Towe Radio. Live feed ng network namin. Net call namin mamaya. Mga alas 8. 7:50 PM. Standby. At ako'y nagkalikot kanina. Naglinis pala. At medyo waiting muna tayo sa oras para at ako'y medyo na sa apurahan. Dahil ginagamit pa cellphone ko. Pamomonitor ko lang. Tsaka yung patungan yung lapad. Magandang gabi po sa tatlo pa lang na aking viewer. Kami po ay merong evening net call ng amateurista ng mga amateuristang Pinoy, DX1 PRS. Yung po mga friends ko sa FB na hindi alam ko para saan po to. Ito po ay para po sa sa aming live feed ng net call namin sa amateur radio. Try lang para makita naman yung ibang nagra-radyo na naka-live po tayo. Magandang gabi po sa inyo mga kapatid sa pagraradyo. Yung pong malalayo natin mga ka-amateurista pwede pong mag-message sa akin dito sa FB para po tawag rito, mailag ko kayo mamaya. Time check 7:53. Audio check. Any copy? Audio check. May kopya ba ako? Maganda ba yung audio ko dyan sa inyo? Kung may naka-monitor po dito sa atin at feedback naman ako sa sa audio ko kasi ayos ako kanina rito baka yung transmit ko wala. Time check, 7:54 p.m. Waiting for live net call. Sige. Ano pala to? Ano ba to? Kalimutan ko lang. Yun pala yung kala ko. Dalawa. Shout out kay Tito Vince, naka-monitor dyan. Tito Vince, magandang gabi. At mamaya simulan ko na itong shout out kay Tito Vince Echobera ng San Pedro, Laguna. Magandang gabi dyan sa San Pedro. Kung may duty ka, okay na, naka-login ka na rito sa akin. Wala akong audio. Ayun na ng audio. Check. Mahina yung audio ko. 1, 2, 3, check. 1, 2, 3. Audio check. Audio. Mayroon ba akong audio? Hina ng audio ko. Shit. 7 na. Audio. Check. Audio. Grabe, hina ng audio ko. Nangyari. Audio. Check. Audio. Meron naman pala. Grabe, hina ng audio ko. Nangyari. Alas 8 na. Time check, 7:58. Shiki break. Check time, 7:59. Shiki break. In a minute, we are about to begin the evening net of DX1 PRS. All station, please stand by. Shiki break. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, fellow hams. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. It's 27 of November 2020, Friday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DX1 PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Security Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunication Commission. DX1 PRS conduct its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. The net control for tonight is for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson. I am transmitting from Binangonan, Rizal. I am working with Kenwood 281 Alpha, hooked up with to mini G7 Nombru antenna, 37 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero-bit your transceiver to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start by calling any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be assistance. Please call DX1 PRS. All stations will be standing by. Second call, to any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be assistance, please call the X1 PRS. All stations will be standing by. Any relay for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, for the X1 PRS, standing by. Any announcement from the club officer, chairman of any committee, from the NTC or PARA, or from the other local amateur clubs, please call it now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Second call, to any announcement from the club officer, chairman of any committee, from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call it now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Since this is a supervised net, therefore, all call must be passed through to the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and suffix. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS evening. Please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
For Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
Copy to station, Tito Elmer, Tito Nato, please stand by. Any more station? Hindi ko po makopya yung isa. Balikan ko na lang po kayo mamaya at kung may nakakakopya ba doon sa isang nagbe-break?
Permission to pull out, Tito Nelson. Malayo yan sa Oriental Mindoro.
Sige, permission granted, Tito.
Okay, calling the station of 4 Hotel 1 Tango Uniform Alpha. Tito Raniel ng Oriental Mindoro. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 FirstNet. This is 4G1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the pull out. At thank you, Tito Raniel, for supporting the X1 FirstNet. Back to you, Tito Nelson. Pakilak na lang siya. 4 Hotel 1 Tango Uniform Alpha.
Saglit lang, Tito, at lang, Tito, yung yung call sign niya kung buo.
4 Hotel 1 Tango Uniform Alpha.
Tito, ano yung handle niya? Tsaka
Ang name niya, Raniel. Romeo Alpha November India Echo Lima.
Copy, Tito. At maraming salamat, Tito, sa sa pag-relay at magandang gabi diyan. Balikan ko lang po si Tito Nato. Tito Elmer, please stand by. For Golf 1, Bravo 55. Go ahead.
Yes, hello. Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, fellow hams. For Golf 1, Bravo 55 with the handle of NATO. Transmitting from General Trias, Cavite. No traffic, just supporting the evening net, 73.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Nato ng General Trias, Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo 5 is properly logged and cleared. 73. Move another station, Tito Elmer for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo 5. Go ahead. Pasensya na. Bravo 55 pala yung isa. Bravo 55 is, your station is properly logged and clear. At move na ako rito kay for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo 5. Go ahead, Tito Elmer.
Magandang gabi, Tito Nelson, for H1 Lima Charlie Uniform, for DX1 PRS. Good evening all stations on monitor. For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima, name is Elmore from Muntinlupa City. Just joining tonight's net, no further traffic, 73.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Elmer ng Sukat, Muntinlupa City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo 5 is properly logged and clear. Move another station. Back to you, Tito Rutboy. Tawagin na kita.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, everyone. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform, Romeo, Santa Rosa, Laguna, checking in and supporting the net. No traffic, 73. Keep safe.
Acknowledge Tito Rutboy, your station, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Also from the group at one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Tito Rutboy, your station for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo is properly logged and clear. Any more station?
For Golf 1, Alpha November India.
Copy, Lolo Pedro. Copy, Tito Gani. Please stand by. Any more?
TB1, Sierra Victor Sierra.
Copy with Tito June. Please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. Tito June, Tito Gani, pa-standby pa. Unahin ko lang po si Lolo Pedro at mahina po sa akin. DY1, 55 Papa. Go ahead po. Lolo Pedro, diyan ka pa pa.
Sir, may kinamalang ang evening. DY1, 55 Papa. Sige, no more traffic. Mabuhay.
Ayun, napakahina talaga ni Lolo Pedro. Acknowledge Church Station, Lolo Pedro ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Church Station is properly loud and clear. 73, balikan ko na po si Tito Gani, for Golf 1, Alpha, November, India. Go ahead.
Good evening, Control. This is for Golf 1, Alpha November India, transmitting from Jamie Cavite, handled by Gani, supporting the evening net. No traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Gani ng GMA Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Golf 1, Alpha, November, India is properly logged and clear. 73, tawagin ko na po si Tito Jun, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra, at Head Technical Committee ng X1 PRS. Go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, Nelson. Mahina lang audio ni Lolo Pedro, yung poundage niya malakas. Siguro yung microphone may problema yon. DB1 SBS, joining the net of our group, the X1 PRS, no more traffic, gandang gabi, 73.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Jun ng Muntinlupa City, also from the group at Head Technical Committee ng DX1 PRS. Thank you all for supporting our evening net. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station?
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
DW3, Romeo Queen Golf, Stock 1.
Romeo Queen Golf. Copy, Tito Roel, please stand by. Copy, Tito Boy, please stand by. Any more station? Nothing here. Tito Roel, please stand by. Tawag ko lang si Delta, Uniform 1, Alpha, Zulu Sierra. Pasok!
Papatla po, buwabati ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo sa lahat. No, at sa ating Karex Karel, salamat po.
Salamat din, Tito Boy. Acknowledge Church Station, si Tito Boy ng Tambo, Paranaque. From the group, the X1 Ace. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha, Zulu, Sierra is properly logged and clear. 73, tawagin ko na po si Delta, Whiskey 3, Romeo, Quebec, Gold, Stroke 1, Tito Robel. Magandang gabi dyan sa Binyan, Laguna.
Likewise, Nelson. DW2RQG, no other traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Ayun, acknowledge Church Station, Tito Roel ng Binyan, Laguna. From the group, DX1, DX3, Latitude. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station is properly your station, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo, Quebec Gold, Stroke 1 is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station?
Lima Echo Echo.
Copy, 5 Echo Echo, please stand by. Any more?
Ito Nelson, si FYP-UB na dyan, sa Cuenca, Batangas.
Ano yung call sign, Tito?
For India 1, Papa Uniform Victor.
Papa Uniform Victor. Ayun, Tito Lee, unahin ko na po yung Batangas. For India 1, Papa Uniform Victor. Go ahead, Tito Walter.
Okay na, Tito Nelson.
Salamat, Tito Ruthboy, sa pagre-relay. Acknowledge your station, Tito Voltaire ng Cuenca, Batangas. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening Net Church Station for India 1. Papa Uniform Victor is properly logged and clear. Balikan ko na po si Tito Lima Echo Echo. Go ahead.
Tito Nelson, magandang gabi. Please join my station in for tonight's net. No traffic, 73. God bless.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Lima Echo Echo ng Nubali, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station is properly logged and clear. Your station, Lima Echo Echo, is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station? Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Copy, Tito Al, please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. Go ahead na, Tito Al.
Okay, good evening. 484
DX1 FCU, good evening, 4G1, DUR, and police station to monitor, and to DX1 PRS, good evening. So further traffic, joining the evening net, and supporting together with 4 Hotel 1, Echo Charlie Bravo. God bless and more power.
Acknowledge to station si Tito Al at Tita Nanette ng Muntinlupa City. Also from the group, thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your 2 station for Echo 1, Alpha Victor Charlie, for Hotel 1, Echo Charlie Bravo is properly logged and clear. Acknowledge ko lang po si for Hotel 1, Queen Bravo Sierra, si Tito Alvin ng Halahala Rizal. From the group, the X1 EBM, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS evening net. Your station is properly logged and clear. 73 Enmore Station.
For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango. Delta Whiskey 1, Quebec Echo Whiskey.
Copy to station, Tito June. Please stand by. Tito Roweno, please stand by. Enmore Station.
For Hotel 1, Bravo Soloico.
Tito Meloy, copy. Please stand by. Anymore?
DW1, Zulu, Papa Lima.
Tito Willie, copy. Please stand by. Anymore? Nothing heard. Tito Willie, Tito Meloy, Tito June, please stand by. Tawagin ko na po si Tito Roweno, Alpha Kilo Tango. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi, Control, at magandang gabi sa lahat ng station na nakamonitor. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango. Nagpapatala lang po sa gabing ugnayan. Chicken na traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Acknowledge short station, Tito Roweno, Nandas Marinas, Cavite. From the group, the X1 Ace, Cavite Ace. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station. Delta Whiskey 1, Quebec Echo Whiskey. Go ahead.
Dito Control, good evening, DX1, PRS, and all monitoring stations. Mabati na po ng magandang gabi at 73. No other traffic.
Acknowledge your station, Tito June ng Los Baños, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Quebec Echo Whiskey is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station, si Tito Meloy. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo. Go ahead.
Likewise, Control, good evening. Good evening to all station and monitor. For Hotel 1, Bravo Soloico. Checking in with no traffic. Supporting unit. No, 73, mabuhay. Salamat.
Acknowledge, Tito Meloy, your 5x3 fluctuating to 4 here in Binangonan, Rizal. Thank you, Tito Meloy ng Commonwealth, Quezon City. From the group, the X1 EBM, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, for Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station, Tito Willie, DW1, Zulu Papa Lima. Go ahead.
Good evening. Joining JBNet, 73, mabuhay. Maraming salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Willie ng UP Diliman. From the group, the X1 ER. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Church Station. Delta Whiskey 1, Zulu Papa Lima is properly logged and clear. Any more station?
DB1, Alpha Victor Sulu Mobile.
Alpha Victor Zulu, is that QSL?
DB1, Alpha Victor Sulu Mobile.
Alpha Victor, pakiulit nga po kasi nawawala yung umpisa eh.
DB1, Papa Victoria Sulu Mobile.
Go ahead na po, mobile, DB1, Papa Victor Zulu. Go ahead.
Yes, Sir Osman, good evening all around. During the net, no traffic at number tayo, SLEX, location SLEX, tapos tayo yan, bale, i-deliver ng relief with lab station, 1 FCT, QRU.
Thank you, Tito Jing. Acknowledge your station na si Tito Jing ng PAC Incorporated. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Ingat-ingat po sa pagdadrive dyan sa South Expressway. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Papa Victor Zulu is properly logged and cleared. 73. Acknowledge ko lang po si Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Echo Lima, si Tito Ariel ng St. Monique, Binangonan Rizal ng Karadyo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibninet, your station. Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Echo Lima is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station?
Dito, dyan po si 4 Hotel 1, Bravo Solo Delta, kaya lang pa tumisigaw.
Bravo, Zulu, Delta. Go ahead na, Tito Ariel ng Rodriguez Rizal.
Yes, sir, dito, nandyan siya. Wapatala.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Ariel ng Rodriguez Rizal. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibninet, your station. 4 Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Delta is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station?
Tala ka na, Abel. Tala ka na.
Shout out kay pinsan ko, si Gonzal, si Rico. Magandang gabi dyan sa Bulacan. Kay Percival Padilla, shout out. Kay Maribel Tiranya, shout out. Any more station? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station, 4 Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson. Transmitting Binangonan Rizal for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Shout out kay Maribel Tiranya at kay Shem De La Cruz Tinaw. Magandang gabi dyan. At Tito Rodboy, kopya mo ba yun?
Sina ano kanina yan, sina Tito Arnel yan. Nag-uusap lang sila.
Sige. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station, 4 Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
Delta Victory 1, Oscar Tango Charlie for the net.
For Golf 1, November Tango Tango for the net.
Copy, Tito Nick. Copy, Tito Bong. Please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. Tito Nick, please stand by. Delta Victory 1, Oscar Tango Charlie. Go ahead.
4 Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS. Delta Victory 1, Oscar Tango Charlie. The handle is Bong. Together with 4 Hotel 1, Delta Tango Sierra. The handle is Julie from Pasig City. From the group DX1, Mike Charlie Golf. Checking in and supporting your evening net 73. Mabuhay.
Magandang gabi dyan, Tito Bong. Acknowledge your two station, Tito Bong and Tita Julie ng Taytay Rizal. From the group, wala pa palang pangalan, pasensya na. Thank you for always supporting your DX1 PRS Evening Net, your two station, Delta Victory 1, Oscar Tango Charlie, and 4 Hotel 1, Delta Tango Sierra is properly logged and clear. Balikan ko na po si aking kababayan sa Rizal, 4 Golf 1, November Tango Tango. Go ahead.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Nelson, at magandang gabi sa mga kantabay. 4 Golf 1, November Tango Tango, Nick po ng Taytay Rizal, just joining and supporting the DX1 Paris Net Call 7010. Mabuhay, ingat-ingat.
Thank you, Tito Nick, ng Taytay Rizal. From the group, DX1 ART. Thank you for supporting the DX1 PRS Evening Net, your station for Golf 1, November Tango Tango is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station?
DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Tito Jun, copy. Please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. Delta Uniform 1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Go ahead.
Copy, 4G1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Andiyan siya na si Pangalos B, D1 Bravo Lima Zulu.
Joining our groups net, 73, mabuhay.
At tita, ano nga ba yung ni Tita Luz B?
Delta United 1, Victor Lima Zulu.
Delta Victor 1, Radio Fox, Mexico.
Radio Pax, please stand by. Acknowledge ko lang to station si Tito Jun ng Calamba, Laguna, also from the group at one of the NCS of the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net, your station, Delta Uniform 1. Papa Romeo Foxtrot is properly locked and clear. And si Tita Luz B ng Rodriguez, Montalban, Rizal, from the group, the X1 EBM and one of the net control of the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta Uniform 1, Victor Lima Zulu is properly logged and cleared. 73, move another station, si Romeo Foxtrot, go ahead. Romeo Foxtrot, go ahead.
Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra Echo Romeo.
Sierra Echo Romeo. Tito J, please stand by. Adya pa po ba si Romeo Foxtrot? Nawala, baka lumipat balikan na lang po kayo mamaya. Go ahead na po, Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra Echo Romeo.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening to all fellow amateurs. Magandang gabi. This is the station of Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra Echo Romeo from Cainta, Rizal. No further topic, just joining and supporting the X1 PRS evening net call. Take it back. Magandang gabi. Mabuhay.
Salamat Tito J. Ocampo ng Cainta, Rizal at kababayan po sa Rizal. At from the group, the X1 PUP, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra Echo Romeo is properly logged and cleared. 73, salamat. Any more station?
Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alfa Romeo.
Tito Mar, please stand by.
Tito Nelson,
Go ahead, go ahead.
TTP1 RFM yung kanina.
DB1. Ay, nawala. Mike Alfa Romeo, go ahead na po.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alfa Romeo, transmitting from Binyan, Laguna. Supporting the net, no more traffic, 73, mabuhay. God bless.
Ayun. Acknowledge your station, Tito Mar ng Binyan, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station, Delta Yankee 1. Mike Alfa Romeo is properly logged and clear. Medyo may kapareho kasi kaya nawawala sa ano. Si ano ba to? Si Tito Robert ba yung nag-relay kanina?
QSL dito, yung Romeo Foxtrot, Mexico.
Tabagin ko na po yung Romeo Foxtrot, Mexico. Go ahead na po. Tito Robert, nandiyan pa ba? Nag-ano na siya? Wala pa?
Nawala eh, pero baka bumalik, baka umikot. Maya-maya akong konti, hintayin ko lang yung kasama ko kumakain.
Sige. Tawag na lang uli ako. Nakalista na siya rito. Tawagin ko na lang kung pag bumalik siya. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
DW1, Net.
Pakibalik nga po nung Shopix at medyo malabo dating.
Delta Whiskey 1, Victor India, Quebec.
Ayong copy, Tito Jing, please stand by. Any more station?
Delta, Suluan, Delta.
Delta Suluan, Delta. Tito Don, please stand by. Copy. Any more? Nothing here. Balikan ko na po si Tito Jing. Please stand by, Tito Don. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor India, Quebec. Go ahead.
Ayun, pakitarano lang, DW1BIQ, joining supporting unit. 73 mabuhay, maraming salamat. Good evening sa lahat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Jing, ng Rosario Pasig. From the group, DX1 ART, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Ibinet your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor India, Quebec, is properly logged and clear. Move another station, Delta Sulu 1, Delta, go ahead.
Roger, magandang gabi at supporting the DX1 PRS net 5920. Salamat, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Don. From the group, DX3 Hotel. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Ibinet your station, Delta Sulu 1, Delta is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station? CQNet, and station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie, Uniform, my handle is Nelson. Transmitting Binangonan Rizal for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, and station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie, Uniform, for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Ay, sino, may, ano po ba, nagpapa-check-in? May nakakasabay po sa akin?
For Hotel 1, Alpha Lima, India.
For Hotel 1, Alpha Lima, India, is that QSL?
QSL.
Go ahead, Tito, pakibigay na lang yung yung handle.
For Hotel 1 Alpha Lima India, transmitting from Victoria Laguna, joining support in the net of DX1 PRS. With the handle of MJ, no traffic, 73, mabuhay. God bless po.
Mama Juliet. Tito, yung MJ ba, is that Mama Juliet, is that QSL?
Roger.
Copy, maraming salamat. At magandang gabi dyan. Acknowledge your station, si Tito MJ ng Victoria Laguna. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Hotel 1, Alpha Lima, India is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station? Tito, copy mo ba yon, Tito Rootboy?
G1, Yankee Mike Juliet. Kopya ko si Hotel 1 Whiskey Uniform Victor.
Copy, Tito Noli. Copy, Tito Hector. Please stand by. Any more?
4G1 Yankee Mike Juliet.
Copy, Tito Hector. Please stand by lang po at mayroon pong meron pa ba?
4G1 Yankee Mike Juliet.
Sige, tawagin na kita, Tito Victor. For Golf 1, Yankee Mike Juliet. Go ahead.
Good evening, Tito. Good evening, everyone. Just checking in and supporting the evening net without further traffic. It's 4G1 Yankee Mike Juliet and portable. 73, God bless and mabuhay.
Ay, copy naman pala. Portable, kaya pala nagpuputol-putol. Acknowledge your station, Tito Hector ng Cainta Rizal from the group, DX1 BSP. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Golf 1, Yankee Mike Juliet is properly logged and cleared. 73, tawagin ko na po si 4 Hotel 1, Whiskey Uniform Victor, Tito Noli, go ahead.
Kopya mo, Tito Nelson.
Tito, ano lang walang audio pero may metro rito. Acknowledge ko na lang siya, Tito. At maraming salamat sa pag-relay. Acknowledge your station, Tito Noli ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. From the group, DX1, Charlie, Romeo, Charlie. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS EveningNet. Your station for Hotel 1, Whiskey Uniform Victor is properly logged and clear. Maraming salamat. 73, any more station?
Nakatala ka na, Tito Noli.
For I1, Mike Victor India.
For I1, Mike Victor India, go ahead. Juliana.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, Toll Station. Good evening kay Tito Rootboy. For I1, Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana.
checking in, supporting our groups net, no further traffic, 73.
Naiiba na yung boses ni Juliana. Gumaganda lalo. Acknowledge your station, Tito Robert and Juliana ng Binyan, Laguna. Also from the group, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EveningNet. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS EveningNet. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
4G1, Mike Victor Lucena.
Ayun, lumakas-lakas ka na. Mukhang binago mo na ng pwesto. Go ahead na, Adrian.
Ayun, good evening, Allman Nelson sa kay Allman Rootboy. Ayun, good evening to all. 4G1, Mike Victor Lima, just supporting our groups net, no further traffic. 73 mabuhay, salamat po.
Acknowledge your station, Adrian, ng Lucena City. Also from the group, the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our EveningNet. Your station for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lucena is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station? Shout out daw sa
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, coordinate.
Tito Jason, copy. Please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. Yankee Quebec Delta, go ahead, ng Tagaytay City.
Po, magandang gabi po, Tito. 4H1, Yankee Quebec Delta. Your supporting EveningNet, 73 mabuhay po.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Jason ng Tagaytay City. From the group, the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EveningNet. Your station, Yankee Quebec Delta, is properly logged and cleared. 73. Shout out daw sa asawa ni Berna, si Nick Pusing. Magandang gabi dyan sa Monique. Tsaka si Merly Paraleas. Ang gulo ko. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS EveningNet? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS EveningNet. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
Pangalos B, good evening. Nakalag ka na kanina nung nirelay ni Tito Cesar. Walang anuman, 73 at halong-halong.
Magandang gabi dyan sa Rodriguez, Tita Luzby, at kanina ka pa nakalag. Magandang gabi uli. 73 Enmore Station.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Copy, Tito Romano. Please stand by. Anymore? Nothing here. Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi, Control. Nagpapataya lang po sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala may ibang mensahe, 73.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Romano ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net Church Station. Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike is properly logged and cleared. 73 Enmore Station. Oo, nilakasan ko na MBL para madinig mo. Enmore Station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Ilakasan ko yung audio. Kaya nadinig mo. Pero okay na, binago mo na yung antena yata CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
Wala ko Tito Nelson.
Granted.
4 Golf 1, Mike Zulu Delta, Tito Jojo, good evening, welcome to X1 PRSnet. This is 4G1PU, Ruth Boy for the pullout. Go ahead.
Ruth Boy for the pullout. Power ako. Checking in and supporting the X1 PRS net. No water traffic, 73 Mabuhay for C1 and C2.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Jojo, at nadinig na po kita ng Lower Antipolo City from the group DX1 ARM at treasurer ng grupong DX1 ARM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Group 1, Mike Zulu Delta is properly logged and clear. At maraming salamat for Group 1, Papa Uniform Romeo sa pagre-relay. Any more station?
DOA1, Zulu Bravo Victor.
Zulu Bravo Victor. Copy, Tito Ian. Please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. The Delta Yankee 1, Zulu Bravo Victor is, go ahead.
Good evening, Control. Good evening sa lahat. Checking in, supporting the DX1 PRS Evening Net. No topic, 73.
Acknowledge Church Station, Tito Ian ng Cubao, Quezon City from the group DX1 Charlie India at one of the net control of DX1 Charlie India. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Zulu Bravo Victor is properly logged and clear. At pasabay na din dito sa pag-check-in sa inyong grupo. Maraming salamat. 73 Enmore Station. CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net?
4G1 LAD board on it.
Copy, Tito Mar, please stand by. Any more station? Nothing here for Golf 1, Lima Alpha Delta. Go ahead po.
I thank you very much. Good evening to all. 4G1 LAD supporting the net. No traffic, 73. Mabuhay ang X1 PRS.
Maraming salamat, Tito Mar ng Canlubang, Laguna. From the group, DX1 Papa, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Group 1, Lima Alpha Delta is properly logged and cleared. 73 Any more station? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net,
For Q1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
copy, Tita Amor. Please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. For Group 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, si Tita Amor at Corporate Secretary ng X1 PRS. Pasok po.
Magandang gabi, Nelson. Magandang gabi sa lahat. For G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking in, supporting our group net. Number traffic, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tita Amor ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. Also from the group at Corporate Secretary ng X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station for Group 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net? Ako lang po yung may nakalimutan. Tayo nga po pala ay naka-live sa FB at naka-feed tayo sa FB ko live. At sundan lang po nyo, add lang po nyo ako sa FB at para po na re-review po nyo inyong mga audio sa live FB ko. Marami pong salamat. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net?
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
Copy, Tito Dan. Please stand by. Any more station? Nothing here. For Group 1, Lima Delta Kilo. Go ahead na po, Tito Dan.
Yeah, good evening, Nelson. Good evening, fellow hams. Supporting our GrooveNet call with no traffic 73 at mabuhay. Happy weekend to all station.
Ganon din sa iyo, Tito Dan. Happy weekend. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Dan ng Binyan, Laguna. Also from the group at auditor ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS evening net. Our evening net, your station for Group 1, Lima Delta Kilo is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station?
Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo, X-Ray Papa.
Yeah, X-Ray Papa. Copy, Tito Darius, please stand by. Any more station? Nothing here. Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo, X-Ray Papa. Go ahead.
Good evening, Old Man Lelson. Good evening, all station. Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo, X-Ray Papa. Transmitting from Parañaque City, just joining the evening net. No important traffic. Mile 73, maraming salamat. Over.
Welcome, Tito Darius. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Darius ng Parañaque City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Miniature Station, Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo, X-Ray Papa is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? Shout out kay Inday. Siya po ay nag-watching na sa aking live feed. Magandang gabi po dyan kung nasan naman po kayo. CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangonan Rizal for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Time check, 8:49 p.m. Any more station? CQNet, any station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Baka sabihin mo, Nick, hindi kita na shout out. Shout out kay Nick Asis Pusing ng Saint Monique. Tito Ruth Boy, kopya mo yun?
Negative.
Copy. Any more station? Any station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Any station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net? Time check, 8:51 p.m. Siyam na minuto na lang po nalalabi sa ating gabing ugnayan. Mangyari pong humabol kung sino man po ang gustong humabol. Marami pong salamat. 73, any more station? Copy, Tito Rico, DY1, Oscar Sierra Sierra, go ahead. Acknowledge your station, Tito Rico, ng Valenzuela City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Oscar Sierra Sierra, is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station?
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa.
For Hotel 1, Whiskey X-ray, Papa, go ahead.
Good evening, Control. Good evening po sa lahat. For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa, Tito Errol, Jamie Cavite, just supporting your evening net, 73, God bless.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Errol, ng GMA Cavite, from the group, DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa, is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station?
For I1 AJJ.
Copy, Tito HL, go ahead.
Oy, good evening dyan, 4H1 LCU Nelson. Just checking in and supporting the evening net at 73. Ingat dyan.
Likewise, Tito HL, magandang gabi dyan kung nasa biyahe ka man o sa bahay na. Acknowledge your station, Tito HL ng San Pedro Laguna, also from the group. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net? May nais pa po bang umabol sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station, Port Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. Ako po si Nelson, transmitting Binangon Rizal para sa DX1 PRS ay maghihintay. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net.
DB1 Queen Mike Uniform.
DB1 Queen Mike Uniform, go ahead po.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, speaking in, supporting the net, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Lucas ng Pandacan, Manila. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Victory 1. Queen Mike Uniform is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station?
Delta Yankee 1, X-ray Quebec Ninja.
Tito Ronnie, Delta Yankee 1, X-ray Quebec India, go ahead po.
Hi, good evening, Net Control. Checking in, other topics, 73. Keep safe.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Ronnie ng Caloocan City. From the group DX1, Echo Alpha Mike. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, X-ray Quebec Juliet is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station?
Delta Victory 1, Juliet Oscar Bravo.
Pakiulit nga po yung sa PIX.
Delta Victory 1, Juliet Oscar Bravo.
Ayun ko. Copy, Tito Jaime, Delta Victory 1, Juliet Oscar Bravo. Go ahead po.
Checking in, 73, mabuhay, salamat.
Ayun, acknowledge Tito Jaime. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Juliet Oscar Bravo is properly logged and clear. 73, and more station.
Delta Yankee 1, Tango Uniform Quebec.
Delta Yankee 1, Tango Uniform Quebec. Go ahead po.
Good evening, Net Control. This is Delta Yankee 1, Tango Uniform Quebec, supporting the net. Salamat, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Carlos. From the group, Separts. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening at your station, Delta Yankee 1, Tango Uniform Quebec is properly logged and clear. 73, and more station. CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by.
DB1 Oscar Mike Victor.
DB1 Oscar Mike Victor, go ahead po, Tito Rolly.
Yeah, good evening. For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor. Just joining the net, no traffic, 73 and mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Rolly ng Pineda, Pasig City. From the group, DX1 Charlie Whiskey. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Oscar Mike Victor is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station? Any station na gusto pong humabol sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS, may nais pa po bang humabol sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS? Time check, 8:59 p.m. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net? Any more station? Binabati ko po ang lahat ng nanood sa live feed ng Netcall ng DX1 PRS, live feed sa Facebook. Marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. Kahit panandalian ay marami pong salamat. Sana po ay lagi po tayong sumubaybay sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Marami pong salamat. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net? May habol pa po ba? Last call. Any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangon Rizal for DX1 PRS. Will be standing by. Last call. Ayun, wala po akong madinig. Pwede po kayong umabol at ako po yung magre-recap ng naka-login sa aking talaan. At simulan ko na po ang pagtatawag.
Break, Tito Nelson.
Go ahead, Tito.
Full out lang. For Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, Tito Army, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PersNet. For G1 PUR for the pull out, go ahead. Likewise, Mabuhay 73, keep safe dyan, Tito Army, and thank you for supporting DX1 PersNet. Back to you, Tito Nelson.
For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1 PRS, Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, thank you sa relay. Acknowledge the station of Tito Hermi ng Marikina City from the group DX1 BSP. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November is properly logged and clear. Anymore? Wala na po at magtatawag na po tayo na nakatala sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Simulan ko na po kay for Golf 1 Delta Quebec Juliet, si Doc Ina. Whiskey 6 Echo Uniform Gold Stroke 1 Tito Jean. For India 1 Bravo India Tito Jojo. For I1 Tango Lima Oscar Tito Vince. For India 1 Echo Romeo Tango Tito Eric. For Golf 1 Quebec Alpha Zulu si Tito Joy. At ito po yung kababayan ko nasa Dubai. For India 1, Bravo, Hotel Echo. For Golf 1, Delta, Uniform Charlie.
Late check for the net.
Go ahead.
Delta United 1, Hotel Lima Victor, together with Delta Yankee 1, Lima India, nagpapatala lang po sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Magandang salamat.
Ayun, magandang gabi din dyan. Maraming salamat, Tito Bani and Tita Leia. Acknowledge to station ng Pasig City from the group DX1 ER. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. 2 station Delta Uniform 1 Hotel Lima Victor and DY1 Lima India is properly logged and clear. Maraming salamat, Tito Bani, at nakaabot ka pa rin. At ako po ay nagtatawag na po ng mga nag-check-in sa DX1 PRS. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po dyan.
Salamat din.
Always welcome, Tito Bani. Dito na po ako sa Delta Porgopan Delta Uniform Charlie, DB1 ULM Tito Francis, President ng DX1 PRS. Porgop 1 Delta India November Tita IB. Porgop 1 Mike Victor Lima, si Ian. Porgop 1 Bravo 55. Porgop 1 Foxtrot Bravo 5. Tsaka yung kanina mo, walang details dito eh. Tango Uniform Alpha. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, Tito Root Boy. For Golf 1, Alpha November India, DY1, 55 Papa. DB1, Sierra Victor Sierra, DU1, Alpha Zulu Sierra. Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo Quebec Gold, Stroke 1. 5, Echo, for India 1, Papa Uniform Victor. For Echo 1, Alpha Victor Charlie. For Hotel 1, Echo Charlie Victor. For Hotel 1, Quebec Bravo Sierra. For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango. DW1, Quebec Echo Whiskey. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo. Delta Whiskey 1, Zulu Papa 5. Delta Victory 1, Papa Victor Zulu. Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Echo 5. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Delta. Delta Victory 1, Oscar Tango Charlie. For Golf 1, November Tango Tango. For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Sierra. Delta Uniform 1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Si Tito Jun, Delta Uniform 1, Victor 5 Zulu Romeo Foxtrot. Ayusin ko na lang ito mamaya. Delta Whiskey 1, Sierra Echo Romeo, si Tito Jay Ocampo ng Cainta Rizal. Nakaka-chat po natin to. Delta Yankee 1, Mama Mike Alfa Romeo. For India 1, Mike Victor India, si Tito Robert / Juliana. Delta Victory 1, Romeo Foxtrot Mike. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor India Quebec. Delta Zulu 1 Delta Alpha 5 India. For Golf 1, Yankee Mike Juliet. For Hotel 1, Whiskey Uniform Victor. For H1, Yankee Quebec Delta. Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike. For Golf 1, Mike Zulu Delta. For Golf 1, 5 Alpha Delta. For Golf 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot. For Golf 1, 5 Delta Kilo. Si Tito Dan at saka si Tito Amor. Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa. Delta Yankee 1, Oscar Sierra Sierra. For Hotel 1, Whiskey X-Ray Papa. For India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet. Delta Victory 1, Quebec Mike Uniform. Delta Yankee 1, X-Ray Quebec Juliet. Delta Victory 1, Juliet Oscar Bravo. Delta Yankee 1, Tango Uniform Quebec. Delta Victory 1, Oscar Mike Victor. For Golf 1, Echo Hotel November. Delta Uniform 1, Hotel 5 Victor and Delta Yankee 1, 5 India. At ang lahat po niyan ay may bilang na 66 Marami pong salamat. Saba. We would like to thank the 66 station who checked in for tonight. Thank you very much for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition for the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 megahertz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1 PRS, this is for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform saying thank you very much and good evening to all. Good night. 73. Ingat po tayong lahat. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat po na nag-check-in ngayong gabi at nag-view ng live feed ko sa FB. Binabati ko po kayo lahat ng magandang gabi dyan at nagpapasalamat sa pagdaan sa aking live feed. Marami pong salamat at sa mga kapwa ko amateurista, salamat din po at maski hindi kayo nakapag-check-in sa net call ay nag-iwan naman po kayo ng inyong call sign sa aking live feed. Marami pong salamat at akin na pong tatapusin ang live feed na live net call ng DX1 PRS at magandang gabi. Thank you. God bless to all.